What's the meaning of caribou? Caribou. Caribou.
Caribou. Caribou. Caribou is a type of large deer native to Arctic and subarctic regions. They are characterized by their unique antlers, which are broad, flattened, and palmate. The name caribou comes from the Mi'kmaq word zalabu, meaning the one who paws. Caribou play an important role in indigenous cultures as a source of food, clothing, and tools. They are also an important species in the Arctic ecosystem, serving as prey for wolves, bears, and other predators. However, caribou populations have been declining due to climate change and human activities such as hunting and industrial development.